Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to make fried crispy salmon with cassava chips.
A pack of salmon,
1 pack of breadcrumbs,
and a pack of seasoned flour.
and also don't forget that we need 2 eggs.
Since we don't have any raw of cassava,
We sincerely apologize because we don't have the raw material. And first off, grab some plates in order to put some flour, breadcrumbs, and salmon. Don't forget to wash the salmon first.
Then stir the eggs perfectly and add some water just a little.
Put the salmon into the seasoned flour until evenly spread into the fish. Put it into the eggs and mix it evenly too. And wrap up the salmon into the breadcrumbs and spread it out evenly too. Repeat these steps twice to make it much more crispier. Then after you finish, it will look like this. Then, after this step, we're going to do the frying part.
Turn on the stove and pour the cooking oil and wait until it heats up. And after that, fry the salmon until the breadcrumbs turn into golden brown color. Be careful not to burn your hand or burn the salmon. And after that, take the salmon out of the pan and let it dry off first from the oil.
And then, take a plate to put this fried salmon and add some vegetables as you want it. We use tomatoes, broccolis, and lemons to add some flavors on it. You also can add some mayonnaise or cheese sauce. And then add some cassava chips into it to add the crispiness on the salmon.
Enjoy it!